Introducing the all-new OnePlus 13s, a masterpiece where cutting-edge power meets timeless elegance, designed to redefine your smartphone experience. Driven by the lightning-fast Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering performance that's smoother, smarter, and built for the future. With intelligent OnePlus AI, your phone becomes more than just smart. It becomes your personal assistant, adapting to your needs in real time. Enjoy seamless multitasking with 12 gigabytes RAM and store more of what you love with 256 gigabytes of blazing fast storage. Plus, the industry's only lifetime display warranty, because peace of mind should never expire. Now available in the ultra-sophisticated black velvet finish, holding luxury has never felt this real. Get your hands on the OnePlus 13s today and experience the perfect fusion of power, style, and innovation. Thanks for watching. Your next phone is just a click away. Link in below if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Motivator's Mind.